So we know that there's more than what we experience. There are colors we can't even see with our eyes. Many flowers use UV colors to attract pollinators, bees and all sorts of critters like that. All the colors of the rainbow that we can see, from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, those are what our eyes can see. But ultraviolet has short wavelengths that go in undetected to the human eye. So I'm going to show you a dandelion. This is the dandelion. On the right is what we see. If you were a bee, that's what you'd see on the left. There are things far beyond what we see and hear. We are limited by our physicality. There's more to the natural world. Elephants and whales sing songs that we can't hear. We can hear a little bit of it thanks to science. But they sing songs in a deeper register than our ears can understand. We know dogs can hear whistles that we can't. There's so much more than what we see with our physical eyes, and there's so much less fear and darkness than we think we see. I want to share with you a story that Reverend Eric Butterworth shared with his congregation in New York City decades ago. It's a story about a family, a Quaker family that he knew in that area. So there's this little girl. She's standing at the window. She's about 5 years old, and she is just sobbing her eyes out, just crying, looking out the window. Because her little doggie that day had run out into the road and been hit by a car and died. She's just heartbroken. And her brothers are out there. They had collected the little doggie. They were digging a little place in the ground in the front yard. She could not even go out there. She was so heartbroken. And as she's standing there, her papa is standing beside her. And he gently pats her arm a few times. And her sobs finally subside. And when that last sob is gone, he takes her by the hand and gently leads her to the other side of the house. There, she looks out and sees a tree. It was her tree, the tree that she and her papa had planted the last year, and today was the first day of a new blossom, a new bloom on that tree. Her little heart was happy. She was smiling, and Papa reached down and took her little chin and lifted it up and said, "Thee was looking out the wrong window. Tomorrow morning, when you rise up, when you get out of bed, when you open the curtains, you can look out a new window. You can look out and see love. You can look out and see peace. You can look out and say, I see love, I will be love, I will be forgiveness, I see forgiveness, I will be peace, I see peace." We can make that choice. We can make that choice today. We can say, oh yeah. Tomorrow morning when you rise up, you can say, oh yeah, I still got that Easter feeling. I know it's my day to rise up. This is why Easter matters. You can feel that sense of spirit on Monday morning because today, tomorrow, every day that you choose, you can rise. You can stand in your confidence. You can stand knowing that you are a child of the Most High.